up from spinning. Like Superman, you're the only one to find. Words spill out of your mouth. You wish you were someone else. I miss you, but I know we miss your old self too. Silver once golden. There's only so much holding on. You can take when your mind's at stake. Oh wait, do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Some things I can't fix feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much hoping that I can do, but I'd rather lose than lose you. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
Every single person here, welcome to this video. And again, we say welcome at the end of the video. We really make our simple. It is better late than never. So, can we all agree that these two little sales are only useful at 35%? Yes. As you can see in my channel banner, in this channel I'm planning to make a lot of kind of videos that try to entertain you. Thanks each one of you for pushing me to 200 subscribers. So, if you like what I'm doing or you just want to help me, you know what to do. I'm subscribing. Okay, right. I'll go. You can also deactivate the bell, the notifications, in order that you can also deactivate the bell, the notifications, in order to have less chance to face some of my contents that you don't really like. And
This needs to stop now!
I know we grew up a little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed. Now I need to go back. I had no worries, but always had plans. The only thing I did was pick at the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh, hard to get up and then work on my craft. I need inspiration, don't need no validation, no more medication. Just try some meditating. I don't need you to save me. Feel like just wanna run away. On vacation,